This is the SONY WH-XB900N headset. You're able to hear every note with extra bass. With the exceptional bass and advanced noise cancellation, these headphones put the focus firmly on the music. We're going to unbox this and set it up for use with an Android phone. So once you open up the box, you can see there's an instruction for easy setup, a two-step instruction. Here are the headphones itself. So you take it out. You can see that it's foldable to make it more compact, and it comes with a very soft sponge. So what do we have here? It's got two cables. One is a AUX cable and the other is a USB-C cable. And it's got the reference guide. I believe this should be the quick start guide. And a flyer for 360 reality audio free trial. And finally we have got the back where you can put the headphones itself. So here's the headphone, and from the setup poster, the very first instructions is given to charge the headphone. So using the USB-C, plug it into the port over here, and you can use a USB charger. In this case we'll use a power bank and have it charged. And you can see that there's a power LED over here indicating that it is being charged. So the instructions state that it should be charged for 7 hours. So let us now take a look at the headphones. So this is the right headphone with R indicated here, and the right headphone has got some touch control here which we will show on how to use later on. And on the left headphone you've got the custom button indicated over here, custom, and this is the power button. And here's got the USB-C port, and this is the headphone jack for your auxiliary cable, which you can connect and use it on your computer. Alternatively, you can also use to connect to your computer via Bluetooth. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect to your Android phone. Show you how to turn on the headphone. So turn on the headphone by pressing the power button over here. Press it for 2 seconds. You can see the Bluetooth is blinking, and if you are to put on a headset, you will actually have a voice telling you that Bluetooth pairing is on. Next, let's go to our Android phone. So from our Android phone, you need to download the Sony Headphones Connect app. We have already downloaded, but if needed, go to the Play Store and do a search for Sony Headphones Connect. So the Bluetooth is turned on, and let's tap on the app. We can switch to another device. Tap on the plus icon. So we need to allow access to location. We'll select OK. Go to Next. It has found our Sony WH-XB900N headphones. We can tap to register. Link headphones with WH-XB900N. We'll select OK. Tap on Pair. Our headphones is registered. Next, we can start the setup and fully enjoy the functions of the headphones. It's asking us to download the 360 reality audio setup. We can go to Next. We can start the step 2, which is optimize the music service app by sending ear analysis results. We'll skip this, so we'll tap on Later. So our setup is complete. Let's go to the dashboard. And our headphones is now optimized for Google Assistant. Let's close. So over here, you can check the status of your headphones. You can turn on the adaptive sound control. Let's go back, and you can see over here the battery is at 70%. Let's go to sound. So it's currently in ambient sound control. And here are some settings that you can play around. Let's go to system. You can set the automatic power off to be at 5 minutes or a certain time, and let's select. You can choose 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even 3 hours. Or you can even select do not turn off, which of course is not advisable because it will drain the battery. So we'll select to turn off after 5 minutes. And so this is how you unbox and set up the Sony WH-XB900N headphones and pair it with an Android phone.